If you're a lover of a nautical and a coastal high-end home decor, today I'm gonna show you how I made 10 quick and easy Dollar Tree wooden DIYs. Welcome my darlings, I am C and this is CJ DIY. Thank you so much for stopping by and giving me unconditional love all the time. I'm using this Canva, I believe it's like 11 by 14. I got it from my crafting stash, and on top I'm gonna be adding these pieces, tile pieces that I also got at my crafting stash, and I'm gonna try to add them on top of my Canva. I cut off the extra line to it. I'm adding a wooden glue, and simple as that, I'm gonna glue it on top of my Canva. I'm using this mermaid wooden cutout from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use this navy faux leather also from Dollar Tree vinyl. With a marker I went over to get the exact same look from the mermaid. I cut it off, I added a cement glue on the back of it, and I'm gonna cover my mermaid. We gotta dress up our mermaid. They're selling a naked mermaid at Dollar Tree. So I think with this faux leather, it's gonna look super perfect. Now when it's all nice and glued, I'm gonna glue it on my Canva, and I added that star, also came on top of the mermaid, and I'm gonna glue it on top of my tiles. And I think this is such a beautiful high-end summer coastal decor that everybody can do it in less than 5 minutes. This house sign is also from Dollar Tree. I have it in my crafting stash from last year. I removed that sparkly sand dollar. I paint the roof white and the edges, and now with the leftover of my tiles that I use on my Canva, I'm gonna glue them on top of the roof for my house. This house sign looks just perfect, and it's gonna match together for my mermaid that I already made for my Canva. So after I glue all those mini tiles, I also added this boat cutout that I got one of those Dollar Tree garlands. I painted white, and I'm just making a super simple shoelace bow, and I'm gonna glue it on top of the boat just to have some extra embellishment. And now I'm gonna add this house next to my mermaid, just like so. I think it's just a beautiful high-end look that we can add it in our house, and look how beautiful it looks. Let me know, what do you think? Today I'm a part of What Would You Make Challenge, hosted by my darling friends Zana from End Home DIY, Connie from Connie's Creative Creations, and this month guest host is Brenda, my darling Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. All their links are in my description box along with the playlist. I'm using this wooden anchor from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna paint it with a white apple barrel paint. I give it 3 good coats, and after it's nice and dry, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add it to this beautiful charger plate from Dollar Tree, and simple as that, we got such a beautiful home decor. I didn't want it to add any extra embellishment. I just love the simplicity of this cute high-end DIY. Dollar Tree have those new wooden signs, and I grabbed a couple of them, And simple as that, we're gonna make a nice beautiful home decor look. I added this wooden cone that I got in my crafting stash from my previous crafts. I added a wood glue, and all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna glue it on my wooden sign. I didn't want it to add any colors because this cone is already stained and it matched perfectly with this wooden sign from Dollar Tree. I'm adding these beautiful greeneries. They remind me of some seaweeds or some greeneries by the oceans, and I think this looks just perfect, not just as a nautical or coastal decor, but just as a everyday high-end look for our house decor. I'm using this mesh Canva that I got in my crafting stash. You can find those canvas at any crafting store on clearance sometimes. And I'm also gonna add this dollar cutout. I added a glue and I'm gonna add it in the middle of my Canva. And simple as that, we're gonna have a nice, beautiful, high-end coastal nautical look. Dollar Tree brought some beautiful summer decor that I'm impressed, and with just a little detail you can bring them to very high-end look, and they can look exactly like we bought them from Kirkland or Pottery Barn or any high-end store, and us cost us for $1 or $2-3. Also, on the edges on the frame of this Canva, I'm going to be adding an anchor and a sea star. I paint them out white just to give a little detail to it. And that's it for this DIY. I told you today I have less than 5 minutes, super easy DIYs that anybody can do it. Let me know if I'm inspiring you so far. For the next DIY, I'm gonna be making a riser with those beautiful wooden signs from Dollar Tree. I'm using 2 of those wooden signs. I'm also using those square beads from the Garland, summer garlands from Dollar Tree. I got a lot of them from last year. So I'm gonna add them, glue them on one of the frame of my sign first, and super simple. Just like that, I add them, and now I'm just adding a wood glue so I can add the second sign on top of that. And I like the combination of this darker brown with the lighter neutral and the light, so we got 3 shades of wooden neutral look. I just leave it like it is. This is what we got so far. And now on the back, we're gonna add some legs. After I remove the sticker, I got those wooden legs from Hobby Lobby on 50%. I paid $2.50, I believe. There is like 5 or 6 of them in a pack. So now I'm just adding a wood glue, and I'm gonna add 4 wooden legs. And we are having just a perfect high-end riser that Pottery Barn and Kirkland are selling those for very high prices, and we got ours done for just a couple of dollars. two large lanterns from Dollar Tree, $1.25 each, and I just want to get rid of that plastic look. First, I'm gonna heavy distress them with a white chalk paint, going over in each corner and on top, so we can get that vintage rustic look, and we're gonna make them not to look that they're plastic. Now, to get them more worn out, we are going to add this distressed ink patina from Tim Holtz, and I'm going over so we can get that rustic patina look to it. And they're not even gonna look that they're made out of plastic. We are making high-end, beautiful lanterns for summertime. I don't know if you can see them very good on camera, but they look so high-end. They don't look they're plastic, and they're just a perfect home decor look for summertime. I grabbed those fish cutouts from Dollar Tree. They look so perfect, and I just need to do just a little detail to them. I'm using this stencil also from Dollar Tree after I spray it with adhesive spray, so I don't have a bleed through. I'm just gonna add this summer on top of the fish. I'm adding tape on top and on the bottom so I don't have any bleed through, and I'm gonna be adding a Nautical folk art paint or home decor, and with the sponge I'm just going over summer work. And this one is done, super quick and easy. For the next one, I'm only gonna add this sticker, just a simple sticker with stars and shells. Super cute. I just love those fishes. I didn't need to add anything extra, or I didn't want it to paint them. I just love how they look, and you can find those fishes in a high-end store as well. But just giving a little detail to it, and it's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna be gluing it on one of those wooden signs as well. And also for the tail on the fish, I glue another star, I believe, and now with the wood glue I'm just gonna glue it and add it to this sign, and this DIY is done. Another super quick and easy. Have you seen those burlap canvas in Dollar Tree? I grabbed a couple of them. I love them. I love burlap so much. And now just a simple sign again. I'm gonna be adding one of those beaded garland with the anchors from Dollar Tree on top of the sign. Just like that. I just wanna see which part I'm gonna be adding before I glue the edges. All I did, I just glued the corner edges with the twine that those beaded garlands came. I just wanted to make they're all nice and glued. Do the same thing on the other corner. Super simple. And I think those wooden beads, they just match perfect with this burlap Canva, so I didn't want it to paint them. I just left them like it is with that neutral natural look. And now the two extensions from the beads, I'm just gonna tie them together with a shoelace bow, and I can have that extension as a handle if we want to hang it on our wall. Now to add more embellishments to my sign, I'm adding this anchor. Also, this one is from Dollar Tree. It's coming as a pack, so we can create like a garland out of it. So I'm just using one of it and gluing it on one corner of my sign. And on the other corner, I'm just gonna add 2 stars cutouts. And we're gonna add 1 turtle cutout that I found in my crafting stash. I believe it's from Dollar Tree as well. And this sign is done. And we came to number 10. I'm gonna be using this half round sign that I got in my crafting stash. You can always cut those wooden rounds also in half if you like to. And also I'm gonna be adding this boat wheel. I just want to cut it off just to match my sign first. And just with a cutter, super simple. This cutout is also from Dollar Tree, this boat wheel. After I cut off this boat wheel, I'm gonna sand out the ends to it and we're gonna add it to our sign. Before I add the boat wheel to my half sign, I'm gonna be adding this burlap material as well. After I iron it well, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue it and then cut off the extra extensions to it. And simple as that, we made rustic, nautical look sign. Let me know, what do you think? I added a wood glue on my boat wheel or ship wheel, whatever you like to call it, and I glue it on the bottom of my half round sign. And also with a lighter, I will get rid of the extra extensions on my edges of my burlap. And that's it. You gotta let me know if you love this super unique, natural, nautical, coastal decor. And let me know if I inspire you today. I made 10 quick and easy Dollar Tree DIYs, and nobody will know that all those items are from Dollar Tree. And before I let you go, don't forget to check out the amazing Zana, Brenda, Connie, and all those amazing ladies and gentlemen in the playlist. And until next time, my darling, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy, blessings from me to you. Bye-bye.